Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are enjoying your summer days. I am your science teacher of grade 6. Let us start our work. Open your books. Page number 3. In previous lecture, we were studying about cell and microscope. Cell are living things that feed, reproduce and respond or react to their surrounding. There are two types of cell, unicellular and multicellular. And we were also studying about the structure of microscope. Today our topic is focusing a microscope. The correct way to focus a microscope is to start with the lower power objective, the smallest objective first. While looking from the side, use the coarse force to bring the lens down as close as possible to the specimen without touching it. Now microscope. Microscope is an instrument that magnifies things so that we can see them more clearly. When we are looking from the side, the coarse force bring lens down as close as possible without touching it. Now look through the eyepiece and use the coarse force to move the objective lens upward until the image is sharp. You can look through eyepiece, which is the first part of a microscope, and through the coarse force you can sharp the image. Once the image seems sharp with the lower power lens, you should be able to turn the revolving nose piece into the next most powerful objective lens. If the image is not in sharp focus, then make small turns of the fine focus wheel until it is. When you see image, it looks sharp through coarse focus. You should be able to turn revolving nose piece. If the image is not in sharp focus, then make small turns. Continue and with even higher power objective lenses if you wish and find focus each. You can continue it the higher power objective lenses so it can focus on the image. Unicellular organism. What do you mean by unicellular? Unicellular means single cell. Underline this word. Write the meaning. Single cell. Those living organisms which are made up of one cell is known as unicellular organism. Unicellular organisms are composed of a single cell, which means they carry out all of their life processes as one single cell. They take in food, excrete waste, move, grow and reproduce. Unicellular organism. They are composed of single cell. They take in food, excrete waste, move and reproduce. Most unicellular organisms are so small that they can only be seen under a microscope. Now, most unicellular organisms are so small we can see through microscope. However, some are visible to the naked eye. Some unicellular can be seen with naked eye. Organisms like amoeba and euglena are single-celled organisms. Underline this word. These two are single-celled organisms. They are the oldest form of life. They existed about 3.8 million years ago. Bacteria, unicellular algae, and unicellular fungi are the main group of unicellular organism. Keep it in mind. Bacteria, unicellular algae, unicellular fungi. These three are the main groups of unicellular organism. Look at this picture. It's a picture of bacteria. It's a picture of euglena. It's a picture of amoeba. These three are unicellular. Keep it in mind. Unicellular. Unicellular means single cell. Turn the page, page number 4. Come to the next topic. Multicellular organism. Now, what do you mean by multicellular? Organism that consists more than one cell is known as multicellular organism. Organism that consist of more than one cell are known as multicellular organism. You can underline this definition. The cells attach to each other to form a multicellular organism. Now, the cells attach to each other. When they attach to each other, they can form multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, different functions are performed by different types of cells. Most multicellular organism visible to the naked eye. Now, multicellular organism, different cells combine together and they can perform different functions. Mostly multicellular organism can be seen with naked eye. Mold, mushroom, cat, dog, rose plant, tree, etc. are some example of multicellular organism. Now, what are the examples of multicellular organism? Mold, mushroom, cat, dog, rose plant, trees, etc. All the life function performed by a living organism are divided among different types of cells. Look at this picture. It's a picture of elephant. Elephant is a unicellular or multicellular? Elephant is a multicellular organism. Look at this picture. It's a picture of rhinoceros. It's also a multicellular organism. I think it's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.